What's up, guys? So we're here in Target and I want to share with you exactly how I decide how to buy some bolos. So check this out. I'm going to show you on the screen, and this is how I make my decisions. You can see I'm in the Amazon app and I'm ready to scan my product. So this is the product. It's the Sonic, and see how it says $18.59 plus $5.50. That means somebody's selling this merchant fulfilled. It's ranked 72,677, and when we click on it, it's going to give us more information. So it's going to tell us that there's 10 FBA offers and 22 usually merchant fulfilled offers. So notice on the low price, the lowest price of this item is $24.30. Minus your fees with FBA, you're going to make $17.17, right? But now you have to take away the cost of what the actual item is going to cost you. So let's head over to a price scanner so you can see how much this item is going to cost. All right, so we're heading over to a price scanner. We have to find one. Let's see. There's one over here. Let's see. So this item's going to cost us $9.99 to purchase. Let's head over back to the Amazon app so we can dig a little further. Okay, so we know that the item's going to cost us $9.99 to buy. And we can see the gross proceeds is $17.17. If you wanted to, there is a, like, you can click on the price and you can kind of fill in the blanks. But generally, a lot of the stuff is, it's pretty simple math. So if you were going to do seller fulfilled, then you need to include the shipping and whatnot. But right now we're focused on FBA. So $17.17. So I mean, even if you just did basic math, if you just take away 10 bucks from $17.17, you know your profit's going to be $7.17. So you're almost going to double your money on this item. Almost. Right? What are you going to make? 70%? It's a pretty good ROI. And the item sells because it's a 72,677 rank. Now you might be saying, how can we check though? How can we be sure that this item sells? Well, let's go into another app I use and I'll show you exactly how I answer that question. So here I am in an app called Scoutify 2. It's included when you sign up for Inventory Lab. Inventory Lab is exactly what it says. It's a program that helps your inventory. You can ship directly through there. You can basically manage your Amazon business through Inventory Lab. So this is an app that allows you to navigate and get even more information than the Amazon seller app. So let's scan the item. This is the item. And then when it pulls up, there's a lot more information that might not even be available on the Amazon seller app. So here you can see how many. So this one says it's ranked 82,770 out of 6.1 million. Right underneath the icon, it's in the green highlighted area. This is great because it actually tells you how many products or how many rankings are in any specific category. Super useful. It also gives you a target cost unit. You see $11.28, but I don't typically go by that because everybody's price margin is going to be different. So you can see new FBA, what it's selling for. But the most important thing you want to do is click the research, the orange research button at the bottom of the screen. We're going to click that. You're going to have another menu. We want to see where it says Keepa, second one from the bottom. We want to hit Keepa. This is going to bring, this is what basically is your ultimate buying decision, the Keepa graph. I'm sure if you were just getting started, or if you've been reselling for a while, you've heard of Keepa. You need this tool if you're a reseller. You cannot be successful without it, in my opinion. You need this data. So let's look at the data. Can you guys tell me what the data says? It's okay, right? We're gonna click statistic at the bottom left. And it says this, see, so, it's gonna be tricky because it says this sells 8 per month, but that's a lot because I've sold dozens of these in a month. And what I think is wrong is I think a lot of the data is skewed because of the virus and people not being able to send things in and when they were limiting you. So I think all the data is kind of screwed up, but I know this product sells, and you can see that the product sells. Okay, it tells you where the buy box is. This tells you everything. So I know the item sells. So that was one. I'm going to show you one more item that I've picked up in the past that I know sells, that you can make profit. That's full price. These are not clearance items. These are full price, regular aisle items that you can get. So let's go into this other project. Guys, so this other product is a Nintendo. It is the Bowser's Castle. You can find this full price in stores for $40. Okay, 40 bucks. When we look here, it says it's selling for $74.99. When we click on it, you have the breakdown, $82.99 minus the fees. That's FBA. So $58.48 is what you're gonna make minus your $40, right? Because you take your gross proceeds, you minus your cost, which is $40, and you're left with $18.48 profit. Okay, this item is ranked even better than the last item I showed you, 30,000 in toys. Okay, so this item crushes it. We can even go to Keepa. Another way to go to Keepa I'm going to show you is features and details. You want to click that. This gives you the breakdown and the description. And see where at the bottom where it says ASIN, A-S-I-N. You just want to highlight that, hit copy, and go into your Scoutify app. That's from the last project. Or last, oh, wait a second. You go here and you just paste and then enter. Then your product's going to show up here. Okay, so you don't have to scan it if it doesn't have a barcode. Sometimes you can type in descriptions and put it in. So right here we see 34,000 to 6.1 million. The target cost per unit is $35.89 because it wants you to get at least a $20 profit on this. But if you're willing to take an $18 profit, then, you know, if you bought 20 of them, then your profit kind of went through the roof. That $2 might not mean a lot to you. So that's something you can look at, but don't necessarily have to go buy. Okay, then we're gonna hit research, Keepa, and then right here we can see that Amazon used to be on the listing. Check this out. Amazon used to be on the listing, and look how low kept the price. As soon as Amazon came off, bam, skyrocketed in price. Now Amazon could come back on the listing. Okay, so this isn't a product that I would necessarily go too deep in. Maybe I buy 5 of them and send them in, but this isn't something I'd go 20, 25, because it looks like Amazon ran out just after May 1st and then came back on periodically. You see the little orange stripes there where they came back, but just look at that. If we click on statistic, it says 2.7 a month, but we know that's bullshit. So we know that's not true. So yeah, so guys, so that's how when I'm in stores scanning items, that's how I'm generally making my decisions. You're pulling it up on the seller app, you're looking at how many people are selling it, you're looking at how much you can make off it, and You're using Keepa. Shh. These are things you have to pay attention to, and you kind of just have to, you know, do your research. It's not, you don't just go in, find an item, and then, oh, I'm gonna buy it because it has a good profit. No, like, you have to be able to articulate the data, put it all together, so that way you can make a profit and not end up taking a loss. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Hit me up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later on the next hustle.